In our vast and awe-inspiring world, there are certain places that defy the boundaries of our imagination. These surreal destinations transport us into realms of beauty, mystery, and wonder. From otherworldly landscapes to peculiar natural phenomena, we will take you on a journey through the top 5 surreal places on Earth. Let us embark on this extraordinary adventure. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. 1. The Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. The Salar de Uyuni is a surreal landscape that captivates the senses with its vastness and surreal beauty. This salt flat, spanning over 10,000 square kilometers, is a natural wonder unlike any other. During the dry season, the cracked salt crust creates intricate geometric patterns that stretch as far as the eye can see, resembling an otherworldly mosaic. However, it is during the rainy season that the Salar truly becomes a surrealist's dream. A thin layer of water covers the salt flats, transforming them into a giant reflective mirror that perfectly mimics the sky above. This incredible optical illusion creates a seamless blend of earth and sky, blurring the boundaries between reality and fantasy. 2. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, China. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park is a place of ethereal beauty and enchantment. Towering sandstone pillars rise majestically from the earth, covered in a lush carpet of emerald green vegetation. These towering monoliths, often shrouded in mist, give the park an otherworldly ambiance reminiscent of a mythical landscape. One of the park's most iconic features is the Hallelujah Mountain, which served as inspiration for the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. Exploring the park's narrow pathways, suspended bridges, and hidden valleys, visitors are transported to a realm that blurs the line between reality and fantasy. 3. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. The Door to Hell, officially known as the Darvaza gas crater, is a surreal and awe-inspiring natural phenomenon. In 1971, a Soviet drilling rig accidentally punctured a natural gas field, leading to the collapse of the ground and the creation of a massive crater. To prevent the release of dangerous gases, it was decided to set the crater on fire. However, the fire has been burning ever since, turning the crater into an infernal pit of flames. The Door to Hell presents a surreal sight, especially at night when the burning flames illuminate the surrounding desert, casting an eerie glow and creating an otherworldly atmosphere that is both mesmerizing and haunting. 4. The Wave, Arizona, USA. Nestled within the Paria Canyon Vermilion Cliffs Wilderness in Arizona, the Wave is a geological marvel that looks like an artist's masterpiece brought to life. The undulating sandstone formations, shaped by centuries of wind and water erosion, create a visual spectacle that defies belief. The vibrant hues of red, orange, and yellow swirl together, forming mesmerizing patterns that seem to ripple across the rocks. The Wave is an incredibly fragile formation, and access is limited to a small number of visitors through a lottery system. This exclusivity only adds to the surreal experience of exploring this natural wonder, making it feel like stepping into a painting in a world where reality and imagination blend seamlessly. 5. Waitomo Glowworm Caves, New Zealand. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves in New Zealand offer a truly enchanting and surreal underground experience. As you venture into the depths of these ancient limestone caves, you are greeted by the magical glow of thousands of tiny luminescent creatures known as glowworms. These bioluminescent insects emit a blue-green light that illuminates the darkness, creating a stunning, starry, sky-like effect on the cave ceiling. As you glide through the cave on a boat, you can't help but be awestruck by the ethereal beauty that surrounds you. The serenity and tranquility of this surreal underground world evoke a sense of wonder and ignite the imagination. The world we inhabit is brimming with wonders that defy our understanding and challenge our perceptions. The top 5 surreal places on Earth take us on a journey through landscapes that seem like figments of our imagination. From the mesmerizing salt flats of Salar de Uyuni to the glowing wonders of the Waitomo Glowworm Caves, these destinations remind us of the extraordinary beauty that exists beyond the realms of our daily lives. So, pack your bags, embark on an adventure, and let these surreal places ignite your sense of awe and wonder.